I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on customization, just click on it. You come to next step here, come here to auto dark and light mode. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean auto dark and light mode enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways. Thank you for your watching.